Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by selecting the object you want to adjust. Use the selection tool, V for groups or direct selection, A for paths. Then open the control bar or properties panel and enable Show Transform Controls. This displays corner and side handles. Do this at 100% view so the handles match what you see. Once the handles appear, you'll know you can scale, rotate, and skew directly. This saves time versus using dialogues for every change. Now focus on executing precise edits using the visible handles. Drag a corner handle to scale, hold Shift to maintain proportions and avoid distortion. If you want to scale from the center, hold Alt or Option while dragging. This also duplicates when combined with other modifiers in some workflows. Make use of the small rotate and shear widgets attached to the bounding box for controlled rotation and skew. As you work, keep an eye on the transform readout in Control or Properties to confirm exact values. To finish, apply your visual edits, and if you need exact numbers, open Object Transform and enter values. This combines visual control with numeric precision. If at any point the handles disappear, check View and enable Show Bounding Box. Illustrator sometimes hides it. Also, if an object behaves oddly after transforms, use Object Transform Reset Bounding Box to restore normal handles. This fixes many bounding box quirks. If that fails, select the layer and confirm it isn't locked or on a hidden artboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.